On the engine now. No fuel again.
Oh, Batombe is a character. You know, whenever he runs out of petrol, he just buys a new car. It is flash, it's brash, but I tell you what, the kid's worth every penny. I've been an agent now for 20 years, but now I focus exclusively on them Africans. You see, they're so talented these days, you've got to sign them up quickly, do you know what I mean? I remember the day I signed Batombe. I think I've got a picture of that somewhere. Yeah, here we go. See that? His little legs were moving so quickly, I knew he had something special. Raw talent. And I signed that, so really, talent here as well. Players on my books, they're like family. First, you've got to look for the right club for them. Take into account the club's philosophy, vision, the manager's record on handling foreign players. And then you go for the club offering the most money, obviously.
Oh man, I'm so happy that Batombe's here. At first I thought he was just like, you know, black, like ordinary black. But then I found out he was African black. Like, he's actually from Africa, the country. Mental.
Adjusting to life in the Premiership won't be easy for Batombe. He's far from home and family, so of course he's going to experience periods of total and utter boredom. Luckily though, those games against Manchester United will only last 90 minutes. Well, it is Old Trafford, so maybe 95, do you know what I mean? To help ease Batombe into the British game, I've organised some specialist pre-season training for the really important stuff. Post-match interviews.
The gaffer said, keep it tight at the back. It's a game of two halves.
Oh yes, mark my words. By the end of this season, Batombe Oluwafemi Ikechukwu-Azuike will be a household name in Britain. They'll probably call him Tom, but they'll definitely love him.